Okay, let's do this again. What's up, everybody? Today we're doing what we did pretty much a year ago from today. I did the first installment of this ever. It was called Buying Every Advertisement I See. It blew up. It got over 4 million views. And ever since then, you guys have always been asking,
Dan, can you do it again?
It was cool because it really sparked a trend on the internet. A lot of people started doing it. Well, I'm happy to say that the time has come to do another Buying Every Ad I See, but not just anyone. The Black Friday edition. Black Friday is a day where a lot of stores actually put their products on extreme discounted sales. And I don't know why. And if you want to find out, just Google it. Originally was going to do this video on Cyber Monday. However, a lot of sales that are on Cyber Monday actually start on Black Friday. Now, right now is Thursday. I'm jumping all over the place. It's about 2 o'clock on Thursday. The reason I'm filming this now is because when the clock strikes midnight, when Friday starts, the second Black Friday starts, is when we are going to start buying items. Following the same rules, which are, I've got $1,000 to spend. My budget is $200 per item. I cannot go more than that. It has to be an actual product, which means no services and no programs. So basically an item that I can actually review later on. I'm adding a new rule. No repeat purchases. That are just ridiculous to unbox because I've already done it before. New items only. I've cleared my history, my cache, my cookies, everything has been cleared off my computer. So technically these ads should be at random. And as always, in a few weeks time when all the items arrive, I will be doing an unboxing video. So be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you guys can see all the items being tested. I will see you in a few hours when the clock strikes midnight. All right, see you guys in a bit. Okay, the time has come. I put on a sweater and a hat. I'm just freaking cold out when the nighttime comes here. That wasn't even English. It's currently 11:59. Oh, it's 12. It's 12. I'm gonna focus on Facebook because that's where I get most of the ads popping up. This time around, I might actually hop on Instagram as well. Let's let the shopping begin, baby. Boom, first ad, Frank and Oak. Use code BLACKFRIDAY30 to get 30% off everything. Frank and Oak, shop now. First one on the list, Mickey Mouse crew neck sweater, $99.50 Canadian. Again, US and Canadian, we're just gonna keep it as a universal currency here. Add to cart. Black Friday 30. Black Friday 50? Okay. 40? No, okay, well, 30. Sweet, I just saved $29.85. Woo! We're up to some big old savings. $88.82. Awesome, we received your order. Let's keep going. What the hell is this? Oh my God, somebody on my Facebook shared female underwear? But it says shop now, so I gotta buy it. What is this, Knix? Knix reinventing intimates for real life. Literally my second one in. Okay, save up to 50% off. I gotta buy female underwear. 60 bucks. Okay, so we're just gonna go with this. They got bras. The second item in, literally I'm already buying a $60 pair of athletic boy shorts. Athletic boy shorts sale, 5-pack. Find your size. I don't know, are these things stretchy on girls or something? And I'm not gonna give my mom these for Christmas because that's just weird. So we got $40 off. Don't know where I'm gonna go with these. Plus, the unboxing video is gonna be so uncomfortable. Okay, so our total came to $79.10. Thank you, Dan. No problem, Nix. So after 2 items, our new total is $167.92. Oh my God, the girl who shared this is in the commercial. I guess she's a model for this company. Next. 3D Simo? Perfect gift for all makers. There is no need of any previous experience to start to create first 3D objects. What does that even mean? Sales up to 60% off with exclusive Black Friday deals. That's what we're after, baby. Okay, so we don't need the multi-pro. We don't need a kit. The last thing I want to do is design a 3D pen myself. 3D Simo? Oh, that's probably what it is, 3D Simo. Basic, safe 3D pen for children. Oh. We're gonna do this one, $59. Save 46%. This is originally $109 US. We're getting it for $59. $9 shipping, not bad. So our total for this one is $68 US. So that was 50 bucks off. That brings our new total to $235.92. Great, we just bought a 3D pen. Let's keep going. The smart side table. A side table? There's no way this is gonna be under 200 bucks. It's only $169 today. Yo, this better not be a scam. We are legit gonna get a smart side. We're buying furniture. It's got 1 review of 5 stars. I'm guessing that's the owner. Originally, this is $339. This seems like a scam, guys. It's got a cooler drawer for like waters. It's got wireless charging. on the top. It's got a Bluetooth speaker incorporated. You can hide the cords with a cable management system. It's got a night light at the bottom. It's got LED lighting on the back. What? Let's do black and wood because that seems the coolest. We're saving ourselves $170. That's 50% off. This does not seem legit at all. I do want to mention in my last buying every ad video, I think I got 24 items and I didn't even get 11 of the items. They just didn't come. They just took my money and the items just didn't come. Free shipping? This isn't adding up at all. Thank you, Dan. Anyways, we just bought it, so that brings our new total to $404.92. Keep going. Here we go, what's this? Insta360. Black Friday deals, it looks like it's a 360 camera. Their ad just says text, so you can tell the intern made this. Oh no, we can't buy that. $328. What is this? Personal trainer, fitness tracker, and headphones in one. That sounds incredibly annoying and overwhelming. To 55% off. Black Friday sale ends in 66 hours. I better hurry. This is originally $78.98 and we're getting it for $39. So we're saving about 40 bucks on this one. So they're Bluetooth headphones that have crisp sound, lightweight, secure fit, weather and sweat resistance, AI trainer. Yeah, I think these are just Bluetooth headphones. And it's got free shipping, okay? We got these for $39. We saved ourselves $39.98, which brings our new total to $443.92. Man, we are getting nothing. Here we go, bombing science. Black Friday sale, our biggest sale of the year. Graffiti supplies, spray paint. So this is the Black Friday deal. Perfect, that's what we want. For a limited time, get one free iron lac can for each 5 purchased. We'll buy 2 cents. We'll do a Vans Kryptonite. How about some Swiss Frat? Fluorescent yellow, let's add that. Let's do Soviet. Okay, so shipping is $9.95. I still don't know what the deal was here. I think it was just that we got a free can of spray paint. Our total comes to $56.06 with a savings of $6.61. That brings our new total to $499.98. Instagram. I don't know if there's any ads on Instagram mobile. Oh, here we go. I just followed this guy and I mean, technically this is an ad. Black Friday sale starts now. Geek Made Designs. Let's see what this is. Black Friday sale. Everything is 20% off, okay? Okay, so looks like these are Xbox controller mounts made of wood. Oh, these are cool. These are really freaking cool. He makes these little like footprints for Xbox controllers. Xbox One controller holds 2 remotes. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, so it looks like he's just kind of carved in like the footprint of where the controllers would rest. So these are originally $72.36. We're getting it for $57.89. All right, so we saved ourselves $18.30. Our total comes to $94.62 for this item. Our new total is $594.60. Back to Instagram. This beautiful Instagram page right here. God, Dua Lipa is so hot. I've got the biggest crush on Dua Lipa. Molecule, holiday sale. Oh my God, $1,000. No. Guys, Instagram is so much more expensive. Vinpoke store. Perfect on-the-go monitor to boost productivity. Oh, so it's a portable monitor. Oh, it's Indiegogo. No, what is this? Remarkable paper. How much? How much? How much? How much? How much? $700. The Tile, Black Friday, up to 50% off. This holiday season, keep your loved ones close and your favorite things closer. This is so you don't lose stuff, right? So we can't get the 1-pack because there's no sale on there, so we gotta get the 4-pack because we'll save 50% off. Yeah, so basically you put this little tile on items you don't wanna lose, and then I guess it syncs with your smartphone and it tells you where it is. Like, we'll do the 4-pack. Originally, it was $70, we're getting it for $35. It costs $52.21, which brings our new total to $646.81. Back to Instagram. Team Ltd, our Black Friday sale is now available. Save up to 50% off with our mystery box bundles. Ooh, okay, I'm in for a mystery box, baby. So we got the mini mystery box and we have a classic. So let's go ahead and do the classic mystery box. It's $100. Usually this is $200. We're getting it for $100. So the total is $113, which brings our new total to $759.81. We are getting close, guys. Here we go. D brand, 30% off all skins. So it looks like this is Nintendo Switch skins, which is great because I have a Nintendo Switch, so this works out. $3? Oh my God, can I not get the whole thing? Let's just camo it out. Left Joy-Con, right Joy-Con. So that's what my Nintendo Switch will look like after. That's pretty badass. Where's the deal? Is this already on sale? I don't know. So for the Nintendo Switch skins, we spent $18.91, and it doesn't seem to be any discounts here. Our new total is $778.72. That was a small one. Back to Instagram. Ooh, what's this? High Toothbrush. The world's first fully automatic toothbrush. It cleans your teeth in seconds. Oh my God. Yo, this is the tech that I wanted. This is what I wanted for Black Friday. Ultrasonic clean teeth in just 10 seconds. World's first automatic. Wow. Ooh, it's $100. Did not expect that. I was expecting like a $30 thing. I mean, it's still within budget. I bet you there's a dentist out there watching like,
don't buy it, it doesn't work, it's a phony.
Now apparently this is originally $299 and we're getting it for $99. So we're getting $200 off of this. I'm actually really interested to try this one out. Free shipping, so the total is $99. Which brings our new total to $877.72. Oh my God, I'm gonna get so many packages over the next 3 weeks. Here we go, what's this? The permanent match, don't buy a lighter ever again. Over 15,000 strikes. It's only 22 bucks. So originally this was $44.83, but we're getting it for $22.41. The permanent match. Thank you, Dan. Okay, which brings our new total to $894.71. Back to the gram. What the hell? Best for treating acne, freckles, and tattoos. It's like tattoo removal for home? That cannot be safe. How much? $39.53. And it can remove freckles. This is called a Skin Spots Removal Pen for $46.16. Which brings our new total to $940.87. We could potentially just buy one more item and be done here. Finally, okay, the USB charger spy camera. Oh, that is creepy as hell. It's a 1080p camera, which looks like a USB charger for your iPhone. So the original cost of this was $39.27, and we're getting it for $20. So the phone charger spy camera came to $24.33 after taxes. That brings our new total to $955.81. Man, we are so close. Instagram seems to be drying up, so we're gonna switch over to Facebook, but on my phone this time. Okay, Blink-182 is my favorite band, but I think because I'm following them, that's why their ad popped up. But let's go shop now. They've got 60% off right now. Split personality vinyl figure and t-shirt. Man, shipping for this product is $26.99. It's almost as much as the product itself. Okay, so the total cost for the Blink-182 t-shirt and toy comes to $66.91 with a savings of $10 in sales. Which brings our grand total to $1,022.72. Yes! It is currently 2:08 in the morning. This took me 2 hours to spend $1,000, but now I'm gonna calculate how much we saved in Black Friday deals. Oh, look at that, I just got a TD fraud alert. A little bit late to the game, guys. Because we did this on Black Friday, we managed to save $791.51. That's not bad. Pretty decent. Here's all the items that I got. A Mickey Mouse crew neck sweater. Athletic boy shorts 5-pack. That one still gets me. 3Dissimo 3D pen. Smart side table. 5 wireless headphones. 6 spray paint cans. Xbox One controller holders. A 4-pack of the tile. A clothing mystery box. Nintendo Switch skins. High brush automated toothbrush, permanent match, a Skin Spots removal pen, phone charger spy camera, and a Blink-182 t-shirt and toy. 15 items. Okay, so there you guys have it. If you guys want to see me test and unbox these products, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on, because I think in about 2 to 3 weeks, I should have most of these items that I could at least do a part 1. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with some friends. And yeah, check out my Instagram, @danocracy. Oh my gosh, now I gotta stay up all night long to edit this so I can at least get this video up on Black Friday. 2:14 in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.